How's it looking down there?
Kind of shitty.
Yeah? Alright, good morning everybody, good morning. Today we are up at Arapahoe Basin, or A Basin here in Colorado, about an hour and 15 minutes west of Denver. Drove up here with the lady this morning at the ass crack of dawn, and we set up some grilling equipment, had some coffee, and just set up our area here on the beach. And the beach is a cool spot here at A Basin. It's a place where you can rent out, have a couple picnic tables, and just kind of enjoy the entire day from the front side of the resort. You have to reserve in advance, and we did this a few months earlier, and it actually ended up being a really good idea because a few people showed up today, are just enjoying some food, hanging out in the sun, and now that it's getting a little warmer in the day, we're gonna go up for a few runs and then come back down to enjoy some coffee and some beers later on. It's just still so cool to me that you can say that you can be in a beach in Colorado in winter. Going to the back bowl, not to Zumba bowl. How's it looking down there?
Kind of shitty.
Yeah? Oh yeah, it is.
Like skirt around this beginning section.
Yeah, let's get halfway down. Oh, right on. I might even just tuck to the side and see if the snow's a little better. Yeah, it's better over here. Alright, gangs, we just got back to the beach, and it's still so cool to me that you can park here and just enjoy some grilling throughout the day. Real quick, I just want to say thank you to the fiance Savon for setting this whole thing up for us and her company. She works for a physical therapy company called Alpine Therapy, and I gotta say guys, if you ever are in the need for PT in the Denver metro area or even along the Front Range, you got to give them a try because they're great people and they love to work hard and play hard at the same time. We're just gonna chill out here with our friends for a while, have some drinks, eat, and just reminisce. But it's been a great day so far, and I think we're gonna do a few more runs. But even if we don't, it's been an awesome day. Enjoy a Saturday with our friends and just to get out here in Colorado. It's always good just to come out here, enjoy the mountain views, especially A Basin, because these views here are some of the best that you'll see in Colorado at any ski resort. But either way, I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope you're enjoying all the videos I'm putting out there, and hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you next time.